The story of the microwave oven's invention is a fascinating blend of serendipitous discovery and focused engineering, a narrative spanning decades and highlighting the interconnectedness of scientific progress. The foundation was laid long before the first microwave oven appeared, with the groundbreaking work of German physicist Heinrich Hertz in 1897. Hertz's discovery of electromagnetic waves, a fundamental concept in physics, provided the crucial theoretical framework for understanding how microwaves interact with matter. His research, though not directly aimed at culinary applications, established the very principles upon which microwave technology would later be built. Decades later, in 1945, the path to the modern microwave oven took an unexpected turn. Percy Spencer, an American engineer working with magnetrons, powerful vacuum tubes used in radar systems, made a pivotal observation. While testing a magnetron, he noticed a candy bar in his pocket had melted. This seemingly insignificant event sparked Spencer's curiosity, prompting him to investigate the heating effects of microwaves. Through careful experimentation, he demonstrated that microwaves could efficiently heat food by exciting water molecules, causing them to vibrate and generate heat. This discovery marked a turning point. Spencer, along with his team at Raytheon, embarked on the ambitious project of developing a practical microwave oven. The first prototype, unveiled in 1947, was far removed from the sleek countertop appliances we know today. It was a large, cumbersome machine, more suited to industrial settings than domestic kitchens. Its high cost and size initially limited its adoption. However, the potential of microwave technology was undeniable. Throughout the 1950s, significant engineering efforts focused on miniaturization and cost reduction. Innovations in magnetron design, power supply systems, and overall device construction gradually made microwave ovens smaller, more efficient, and more affordable. This period of refinement was critical in paving the way for the microwave oven's widespread adoption. The culmination of these efforts came in 1967 when Amana introduced the first countertop microwave oven, marking a pivotal moment in culinary history. This compact and convenient appliance quickly found its place in homes worldwide, revolutionizing food preparation and forever altering the landscape of domestic cooking. The microwave oven's journey, from a serendipitous discovery to an indispensable kitchen staple, stands as a testament to the power of scientific curiosity and the relentless pursuit of technological advancement.